Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode of Deep Dive Knowledge. Hello. I would like to discuss your report on how AI can help improve 3D printing. Could you please provide an overview of the main ways in which AI can contribute to this field?
Certainly. In our report, we discuss several main ways in which AI can contribute to improving 3D printing. Firstly, AI can be used for generative design. Generative design involves using AI algorithms to create optimized and complex designs based on a set of parameters. This allows designers to quickly generate innovative and efficient designs for 3D printing. By leveraging AI's ability to analyze large amounts of data and identify optimal design solutions, generative design can significantly enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of 3D printing. Secondly, AI can assist in error detection and correction during the 3D printing process. AI algorithms can continuously monitor the printing process, detect any errors or deviations from the desired output, and make real-time adjustments to ensure the final product meets the desired specifications. This capability not only saves time and resources but also improves the accuracy and quality of the printed objects. Furthermore, AI can play a crucial role in predicting the quality of the final product. By analyzing various factors such as design parameters, material properties, and printer settings, AI algorithms can provide insights into the expected outcome of the printing process. This predictive capability helps manufacturers identify potential issues beforehand and make necessary adjustments to ensure the desired quality of the printed objects. Lastly, AI is opening up new applications and possibilities for 3D printing. For instance, AI can be used to create 3D models of complex objects that would be challenging or impossible to create using traditional methods. By developing algorithms that can generate 3D models from diverse data sources, AI enables the printing of intricate and customized objects, expanding the scope of applications for 3D printing technology. Overall, AI brings significant advancements to the field of 3D printing by enhancing design optimization, error detection and correction, quality prediction, and enabling new applications and possibilities.
Thank you for providing such a comprehensive overview of the main ways AI can improve 3D printing. I would like to delve deeper into the topic of generative design. Could you please explain how AI algorithms generate optimized and complex designs for 3D printing?
Certainly. In the field of generative design, AI algorithms use a combination of machine learning and optimization techniques to generate optimized and complex designs for 3D printing. The process begins with the designer inputting a set of design goals and constraints into the AI algorithm. These goals could include factors such as strength, weight, and manufacturing limitations. The algorithm then uses this information to generate a wide range of possible design solutions. AI algorithms are capable of exploring a vast number of design options and evaluating their performance against the specified goals and constraints. This is achieved through a process known as optimization, where the algorithm iteratively adjusts the design parameters to improve its performance. This allows the algorithm to explore different design iterations and gradually converge towards the most optimal solution. During this optimization process, the AI algorithm considers various design variables, such as shape, topology, and material distribution. By analyzing the performance of each design iteration, the algorithm learns from the results and adapts its approach to generate more effective designs. The AI algorithm also takes into account manufacturing constraints, such as the capabilities and limitations of the 3D printing process. This ensures that the generated designs are not only optimized for their intended function but also feasible to manufacture using 3D printing technology. Overall, AI algorithms in generative design use a combination of machine learning and optimization techniques to explore and evaluate a vast design space. By iteratively adjusting design parameters and considering manufacturing constraints, these algorithms generate complex and optimized designs for 3D printing.
Thank you for explaining the process of generative design using AI algorithms. It's fascinating how AI can explore and evaluate such a vast design space to generate optimized designs for 3D printing. Now, let's move on to the topic of error detection and correction. How does AI assist in detecting and correcting errors during the 3D printing process?
AI plays a crucial role in detecting and correcting errors during the 3D printing process by using computer vision and real-time monitoring. The integration of AI algorithms and computer vision allows for the continuous analysis of the printing process. Firstly, AI algorithms can monitor the printing process in real time, capturing data about each layer being printed. This data includes information such as layer thickness, extrusion rate, temperature, and other relevant parameters. By comparing this data to the desired specifications, AI algorithms can detect any deviations or errors that may occur during the printing process. If an error is detected, AI algorithms can make immediate adjustments to correct the error. This is achieved through a feedback loop, where the AI system uses the data collected from the monitoring process to optimize the printing parameters. For example, if the algorithm detects that the extrusion rate is too high, it can automatically adjust the rate to ensure the correct amount of material is deposited. The ability of AI to adapt and learn from previous mistakes is another important aspect. With machine learning techniques, AI algorithms can be trained using simulations or historical data to understand patterns and identify potential errors. This training allows the algorithms to make more accurate predictions and adjustments during the printing process. The integration of AI and 3D printing controllers has been proven to be highly effective in minimizing errors and ensuring high-quality prints. In the case of the MIT study mentioned earlier, the researchers trained a neural network using simulations to adjust printing parameters and minimize errors, resulting in objects printed more accurately than other controllers. Overall, AI assists in detecting and correcting errors during the 3D printing process by continuously monitoring the print, comparing the data to desired specifications, making real-time adjustments, and learning from previous experiences to optimize the printing parameters. This leads to improved accuracy, efficiency, and overall print quality.
Thank you for explaining how AI can assist in detecting and correcting errors during the 3D printing process. It's impressive how AI algorithms can continuously monitor the print, make real-time adjustments, and learn from previous experiences to optimize the printing parameters. Now, I'm curious about the predictive capabilities of AI in 3D printing. How does AI analyze various factors to predict the quality of the final product?
AI analyzes various factors to predict the quality of the final product in 3D printing by utilizing machine learning algorithms and computer vision techniques. First, AI systems can analyze the design of the 3D model and identify potential issues or errors that may affect the quality of the printed object. This analysis can include detecting overhangs, unsupported structures, or other design flaws that may lead to printing failures. Second, AI can analyze the printing parameters, such as layer height, print speed, and temperature, to optimize the printing process and ensure the best possible quality. By analyzing data from previous prints, AI systems can learn patterns and make intelligent decisions to adjust the printing settings in real time. Third, AI can monitor the printing process using computer vision techniques. It can analyze images captured during the printing process to detect any deviations or errors. For example, AI can monitor the extrusion rate and compare it to the expected rate to identify any inconsistencies. If an error is detected, the AI system can make adjustments or notify the operator to take corrective actions. Additionally, AI can leverage data from previous prints and feedback from users to continuously improve the prediction of the final product's quality. By analyzing historical data, AI systems can learn from past experiences and make better predictions and recommendations for future prints. Overall, AI combines design analysis, optimization of printing parameters, real-time monitoring, and continuous learning to predict the quality of the final product in 3D printing. By analyzing various factors and making intelligent decisions, AI can help ensure a high-quality and successful 3D printing process.
Thank you for explaining how AI analyzes various factors to predict the quality of the final product in 3D printing. It's fascinating how AI can analyze the design, printing parameters, and monitor the printing process using computer vision techniques to ensure a high-quality outcome. Now, let's discuss the new applications and possibilities that AI opens up for 3D printing. Could you elaborate on how AI enables the creation of intricate and customized objects that are challenging to produce using traditional methods?